The Earth is spinning at an astonishing speed of over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, and yet, as you sit there watching this video, you don't feel even the slightest hint of motion. No sway, no breeze caused by movement, no sense of inertia pulling you backward. It's as if you're completely still, rooted in place on solid ground, while in reality, you're moving faster than a commercial jetliner, carried by the constant rotation of our planet. And it gets even crazier. Not only are you spinning with the Earth at over 1,000 miles per hour, but you're also orbiting the Sun at nearly 67,000 miles per hour. And the entire solar system is traveling through the galaxy at a staggering 514,000 miles per hour, all while the Milky Way itself moves through the cosmos. So if everything is in motion, why do we feel like we're standing still? The answer lies in something beautifully simple and deeply fundamental: inertia. In physics, inertia means that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by an external force. Since the Earth's rotation is smooth, constant, and unchanging, and because everything on the planet, including the atmosphere, the oceans, and you, are moving along with it, there's no change in motion for your body to detect. You're not being accelerated, slowed, or pushed sideways. You're moving in perfect synchrony with everything around you. Our inner sense of movement only activates when there's a change, like the acceleration of a car, the lift of an airplane, or the tilt of a ship on rough water. But constant motion, like a smooth ride on a train at full speed, doesn't register unless we can see it. And on Earth, we have no external point of reference. We can't see the rotation happening beneath us because we're rotating with it. If you were suddenly dropped onto a planet that wasn't spinning and then placed back on Earth, the difference would be imperceptible to your senses. But over time, Earth's rotation leaves many indirect clues, from the movement of the stars across the night sky, to the Coriolis effect that bends winds and ocean currents, to the behavior of a Foucault pendulum, which swings in a different direction over time because the Earth is turning beneath it. In fact, if the Earth suddenly stops spinning, which it never will, but let's imagine it did, the consequences would be catastrophic. The momentum of everything on the surface would send oceans surging inland, buildings collapsing, and the atmosphere swirling with unimaginable force. It's only because of the predictable, constant rotation that life on Earth is stable, with reliable day and night cycles, weather patterns, and the magnetic field that protects us from solar radiation. Ancient civilizations once believed that the sky rotated around a fixed Earth, but today we know better. Thanks to centuries of observation, mathematics, and physics, we understand that the Earth is not a stationary platform, but a dynamic spinning sphere in constant motion. And yet, precisely because everything is moving together, that motion becomes invisible to us. So next time someone tells you the Earth is moving at 1,000 miles per hour, don't imagine the wind rushing past your face. Imagine the harmony of motion, the balance that allows you to drink your coffee, ride your bike, or sit on the beach, all while riding on a planet spinning silently beneath your feet. You're moving fast. You just can't feel it. Subscribe us for more videos.